Hi, my name is Azalea, and my topic is bioenzyme. What is bioenzyme? Bioenzyme is a natural chemical free cleaning product with good bacteria. Bioenzyme is made by household organic waste, such as citrus pills. The benefits of bioenzyme. It's natural chemical free, safe for humans, affordable compared to stores, and helps the environment by diverting waste from landfills. How to make your own bioenzyme. So you'll need 1 part jaggery, 3 part citrus peels, and 10 part water. You're going to put them into a large plastic container with an airtight lid, and then after you put all the ingredients in, you're going to shake it up. And wait for 3 months for your bioenzyme to get ready. After 3 months, your bioenzyme will be ready, and you'll know when your bioenzyme is ready when all the liquid goes up and the citrus peels will go down. And also use citrus peels so it also has a good smell. And after you're done, you can add it to a spray bottle. You can use it in the utensils, flooring, windows, mainly everywhere.